Hello everyone and welcome to Intellective Statistics. In this video, I'll show you how we conduct a mixed MANCOVA. So once your data is loaded in, just go to the Analyses tab, and under MANOVAs, you can find mixed MANCOVA right there. And for the DVs, I'm going to go ahead and select 3 of them. And number of time points, I'll select 3. My DV factor, I'll name as beverage. Okay. Under the time factor, we'll have ratings. And then my variables will be beer, wine, and water. And then I'll just go ahead and select my variables for the 3 time points of beer. And for wine. And for water. Okay, for the between subjects, I'll go ahead and select age and gender. And I'll select that interaction as well and add the interaction term. And for a covariate, I'll go ahead and add exercise. Once I have my variables in, I'll just go ahead and hit calculate. Here we'll look at assumptions and just scroll over, kind of see whether that normality looks pretty good here. Homoscedasticity, again, looks pretty good there. Looks at sphericity and being non-significant, looks like that assumption was met. Does the multivariate outlier analysis. Homogeneity of regression slopes. Here it looks like that assumption was met. Covariate IV independence. Again, looks like it was not significant, and that assumption was met. And then here are the results for the between subjects variables, the within subjects variables, interaction terms, within covariate interaction terms, and our mixed model MANCOVA results. When we're all finished, simply hit download document, put into your own voice, and that's how you conduct a mixed model MANCOVA.